Checking for administrative privileges. The next session, command checks whether the script has administrator privileges. If not, it prompts the user to run as administrator and exits. Creating directories and files. The scripts creates three directories, prelim, midterm, and final. It then creates text files inside those directories and written some initial content into each file. Itong prelim, midterm, and final is ito yung kailangan kong gawin at nagawa ko na. The menu, this section displays a menu for the user to interact with the script. The options are create a file or folder, update a file, delete a file or a folder, set file attributes, read only or hidden, exit the script. Sa create naman, the user can choose to create either a file or a folder. If a file is chosen, the script creates it with the given name. If a folder is chosen, it creates the folder. And the update. The user can enter the name of a file they want to update. If the file exits, it appends new content to it. And the delete, the user can specify a file or folder to delete. The script checks if it exists and deletes if so. Attributes. The user can set the read only or hidden attribute for a file or folder. The script uses the attribute command to apply the chosen attribute. And then the exit. The script exits when the user selects the exit option from the menu. This script provides a simple file management system with options to create, update, delete, and modify files attributes, all through a user-friendly menu interface. And that's all. Thank you.